Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, and this is Santa Trash Cookies. Every Christmas Eve, my kids want to make cookies for Santa. So that's become one of our traditions, and Santa Trash Cookies are what we've decided that we're going to feed Santa every year. Now, this is a return to our Too Easy series, which means it's all store-bought items that you can throw together really quickly and easily, which is a good thing because, let's be honest, by Christmas Eve, you're either gonna be up wrapping presents all night or you've already been up wrapping presents the night before. So we're gonna do a really simple cookie recipe today. Let's start with the cookie dough. Now this is the store-bought part. We're just using chocolate chip cookie dough, Tule House, I think it's pronounced. But you can also use sugar cookie dough. We've definitely done it both ways in the past. And here's where you're gonna find out why we call these trash cookies. Pretty much anything you can find in your pantry, you can put into these cookies. So potato chips are one of our favorites. I'll give you measurements in the recipe in the link, but let's be honest. If it's Christmas Eve, you're just kind of winging it. The other key ingredient for us is crumbled up candy canes. Now typically I use like real candy canes, but it's October and you can't buy those yet. So we just got these peppermint candies. It's the salty and the sweet that makes this cookie for me. So we've got some yogurt pretzels here. Busted those up as well. And then we're gonna give this a good mix. We'll form these into cookies, chill them down, and then we'll finish them off, of course, with sprinkles and salt. Too easy. Gonna hit the sheet pan with some pan spray. And then we'll start scooping out our cookies. If we did it right, this is gonna get us about a dozen cookies. Two for Santa and the rest for you. Now before we bake these, I want to make sure they're firmed up, so they're going into the fridge, but I've already got some in there and we'll go pull them out right now. So this round is nice and firm now. I'm going to press it out just a little bit to give us some surface area. And we'll add some more toppings. Again, the beauty of this thing is you can throw pretty much anything on top of these. Got some mini M&Ms here. Do some Christmas sprinkles. And then I'm going to top it off with a little bit of our noble smoked salt. We get a bunch of different flavors at atbbq.com. All of them are good. We're baking these cookies today inside the wood-fired oven in the Yoder Smoker's YS640S pellet grill. It's running at 350 degrees. Now I know not everyone has one of these wood-fired ovens. You can just bake them in the grill at 350, 375 and get similar results. 10 minutes in now, guys. They're like almost set, but to the point where like I'm ready to take them off. You can see how they're browned around the edges. And that's what I love about this wood-fired oven. You can get that crunchy on the bottom and the soft on the top. Cooled down just a little bit. You can see they've got a great crust on the bottom, but at the same time, they're like pillowy soft. That's 10 minutes of baking right there. I think that was the right number. The textures are like exactly what I want. I want it to be soft in the middle. I want it to have some crunch on it. It's got enough salt in it to counteract the sweet in it, which is a big thing for me. That's a thing I've taught my kids over the years is like nothing should be purely sweet. A little bit of salt's going to go a long way, but who cares what I have to say? You can check in with Santa and see how he likes them. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out atbbq.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoy the recipe, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, or there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to atbbq.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are making Santa some cookies today.